What's good, YouTube? It's your boy OG Ryan here, and I hope you liked the video. Alright, what's good, YouTube? Hey, I know why you clicked on this video, but it's okay. I won't say anything. Shh. But alright, but now for real, I know why you're here. I've been through this, you know. I'm just here to give you my tips, share you my advice, help you out. That's why I'm here. But yeah, man, so you're in the friend zone, huh? Yeah, it's happened to me a couple times too. Yeah, it sucks. But alright, so I'm finna give you my tips and tricks though. So before we get into this, make sure y'all go like, comment, subscribe, turn that post notification bell on, all that stuff. Thank y'all so much for the support. But yeah, so for every tip I say, I'm probably just gonna like put it up on the screen as like number 1, 2, you know. But yeah, so on to the first one. So I figured like the friend zone as like a type of thing where you either make an attempt to get at somebody and it either goes bad, or you don't make the attempt because like you're shy or something like that, you know. I feel like it's one of those. But like the first one is to basically accept the reality of what happened. So that's the reality of it. Like now you want to get out of it, right? So that's on to my second step. This is very important. I basically call this whole entire thing like the cutback technique, you know? So the cutback technique is basically where like you give and then you pull back. Yeah, no, that way they'll come more for you. That's basically what it is. But now, put that in a words for like y'all to, you know. So basically, cutback ties to communication. So basically, if you talk to her all day, every day, you always reply back to her. You always send her streak snaps, good morning, good night, you know, all that stuff. Like that's where you cut back. Maybe don't say good morning, good night, you know. Like maybe just hit her up like at one point in the day or something like that, because the cutback technique isn't an overnight thing. It takes a little bit to get into effect, but it low-key works. Alright, so cutback, basically cut your communication with them, make them wonder why, like, why hasn't he snapped me today, you know, get them thinking about you. That's what you want. But yeah, and then basically, if she asks you for stuff, this is gonna be my next step. If she asks you for stuff, say no. No, like no cap, just say no. You know, say no. You don't always gotta be yes or like yeah, I got you, or like you know, nah, just say no. Yeah, you might not want to, but yeah, it'll be good for you. I mean, not all the time, don't, but like sometimes say no. Like you don't want her to come to you and basically be like, oh, I know if I go to him, it's like 100% chance he'll do me this favor. You know, you don't want that. Alright, so after doing this for like, I'd say at least 2 weeks to a month of cutting back from her, like, I wouldn't say cut her out your life, but, you know, cut down the interaction and communication you have with her a lot. You know what I mean. And then after doing this for about 2 weeks to a month, that's when you can start to flirt. Because the cutback technique has already been in effect for a few weeks. So then after that's over, you can start to flirt back with her. And I don't mean this as like, no, let's say trying to smash her or like stuff like that. Wait one second. So I don't mean this as like trying to smash her or something like that, you know. I mean this as like, you know, trying to get on a date with her because you like her type of way. But yeah, you could just give her like a normal compliment, you know, like small stuff. You know what I mean, you know, not no crazy crap, just the normal stuff you'd say. You're good with that. And then after that point, you just basically gotta do yourself. It's not like the cutback technique, cause that's involving her and you cutting back from her. This step basically means you need to like do yourself. You know, like if you're in school, then just focus on school and make sure you excel in that. Or if you have a job, make sure you excel at your job. Make sure you're always on time, you know, all that stuff. Make sure you do good at your job. That's what I mean by do you. Like, don't always be involved or obsessed with what she's doing, because more than likely she's not doing that about you yet. So yeah. Yep, that's gonna be that tip. And then my next tip is gonna be, don't be all over one girl. Yeah, basically don't be all over one girl. Because if you put all your eggs in one basket, like what if all those eggs just get crushed and then what? Your happiness is gone. So don't only put your happiness with her, put that in with your other hobbies as well. Like, still do things you like to do on your own. But yeah. And then, oh yeah, this is another tip. After the 2 weeks to a month, that's when you can ask her out, you know. And then if at that point you still get rejected, bro, just fall back. Just move on, like, for real. She's probably into black guys then. But nah, for real. Yeah, that's basically it. Oh. I actually have one last thing, because I've been reading these off my phone, but obviously I'm not gonna put my phone up here because I'm gonna put them as I say them. But um, you could say this for like whenever you start to flirt with her and you try to ask her out. This is for that stage, but you could say this as like an, you could say, we've been friends for a little bit now, and I know things have been weird recently, but honestly, I've always liked you more than that. Are you down to hang out, just you and me? You know? That's way more direct, and it's not the usual, oh, do you want to chill? Do you want to come over? You know? It's not like the usual, that type of thing. It's more direct on basically you and her. So, yeah. But yeah, that's going to be my last one, guys. So yeah, I really hope y'all took something away from this video, because I had a lot of fun making this. Yeah. So let me know if this helps you. Let me know if this gets you out the friend zone. Let me know if this made it worse for you, you know. But hopefully, you know, you shoot your shot and you make it, you know, Steph Curry. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna get on to this outro. So without further ado, have a great day, and I'll see y'all tomorrow. Alright, so thank y'all for watching that video, and if you're new here, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, turn them post notification bells on. Thank you, it really helps me out. And hey, if you stayed till the end, thank you, much love to you. OG fam, road to 100 subscribers coming very soon. But yeah, guys, without further ado, that's all I got for y'all today. So I'll see y'all tomorrow. We out.